basically we would like to show you our new product, which is G5 motor. Basically, this is the first motor you can program in the GCS app. What we have here is this motor has built-in anti-reversal, so you can spin the gear in the one way, but you can't in the other. So as you can see, I'm spinning it, and I can spin it in the other side. So let me show you the programming of the motor. You basically take the replica with the Titan 2 Bluetooth or Aster 2 Bluetooth installed. As you can see here, Titan 2. We install motor as usual, which we have here. We connect the wiring.
So far, this is the best one.
We plug in the battery. The replica works now, as you can see. Let's go to the GCS app now. We can connect the Titan by clicking plus. You go there, you can find the Titan from the list, or you can scan this QR code, which we have here, and you can connect the Titan. So you click on this little QR code icon here, you scan the QR code, and we are connecting. So basically you go to general, and we have this little tab here. We click connect, and then the Titan will connect to the G5 motor. So we can now change the rotational speed of the motor and torque as well. Let's start with the rotational speed. Let's change it to, let's say, 15,000. We click save, and it's ready. Let's say that I want to have 35,000. We're done. You can change the torque as well. You have these options here. We have 3 basic options. Once you decide that you need to adjust more precisely, you can click here, and you have even more options to choose. The thing is that once you go above some value, you will have warning that you can damage the gearbox, damage the inside parts of the gearbox, for example, piston or the gears. So you do this on your own risk. The same thing goes to the torque. Once I go above some value, you will have this warning as well. We have a Pulsar D2 here, which is like new revision of the Pulsar D, which we have right here. Basically, the main difference you notice once you get it is the size of the engine. Like you can see, Pulsar D2 is a little bit bigger, and some of the changes of the Pulsar D2 is like redesigned tappet plate, GNG compatibility. So as you can see, the tappet plate is a little bit different than in the previous generation of the Pulsar D. We've changed also the piston of the tappet plate, which is this part, and is bigger compared to the Pulsar D. One more change is that we've made the air chamber bigger, so this is why the engine itself it's bigger than the Pulsar D. The main difference is the redesigned poppet valve inside of the engine. Basically, we made the AEG replica into the HPA system. So the thing is that the BB is being pushed very gently at the beginning once it goes through the backing, and then full dose of air is being released on the BB. So it's basically one-to-one the same as cycle in the AEG replica. This engine, this Pulsar D2, will be available 100% for sure in 2025. Most likely in a 3 or 4 months, but basically in 2025. Our third product is Tactiker, which basically like simulates the way that real firearm works. As you can see, we have two-stage trigger. You have to apply force on the trigger in order to break the wall. So in the GCS app, you can set the point where the shot is being fired up once the wall is break. So right here, I break the wall and then the shot is fired. This is the Tactiker. So obviously the slot where the mechanical safety was is taken. So you cannot use Tactiker and mechanical safety in the same time. That's why we invented some pretty basic mechanism, pretty simple mechanism that will allow you to use Titan to Bluetooth, Tactiker, and mechanical safety at the same time. So let's say that this is auto position in our AEG replica or HPA replica. You can shoot. This is our semi position. You can still shoot, but once you go on the safety, which is this position, you cannot press the trigger anymore. And the safety mechanism, it's only a prototype, so it will be available in the future, most likely in this year, but we cannot tell any specific date at this point. We also offer Pulsar kit along with the Acer to Bluetooth, so it's Pulsar D with the Acer to Bluetooth for the V3 gearboxes. This is basically a drop-in kit which you install in the gearbox, install the Acer in the gearbox. You plug this wire to the solenoid of the engine. Then from the installation kit, you need to connect the accessory to the motor connectors, and you plug it to the other solenoid. You simply put it all in the gearbox. Then you close the gearbox, put the gearbox inside of the replica, and it is ready to use. So it's simple as that. We also have Acer to Bluetooth, which you can put in the G&G gearboxes. This one is for the G2, and this version is for the G2H gearboxes. Basically, if you decide that you want to have cut-off function in the gearbox, you simply install this Acer, and once the magazine run out of BB, the replica will not shoot anymore until you swap the magazine with the BBs.